How to get rid of dark underarms fast and permanently, natural home remedies. Learn how to get rid of dark underarms permanently using this method. Some of the main causes of dark underarms are shaving, regular use of hair-removing creams, excessive sweating, poor ventilation of underarms, accumulation of dead skin cells, and use of alcohol-based deodorants and antiperspirants. You can easily get rid of dark underarms using simple home remedies that are safe, effective, natural and affordable. Here are the top 8 ways to get rid of dark underarms. It can be used to lighten dark underarms effectively. 1. Potato. The mild acidic property present in potatoes is a great natural bleaching agent. Unlike strong bleaching agents, it will not cause skin irritation. Simply rub a thin slice of potato on your underarms. You can also grate the potato and apply the juice to the affected area. Allow it to dry for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it off with lukewarm water. Use either of these remedies twice daily for better and faster results. 2. Cucumber. Simply rub a thin cucumber slice on your underarms or grate a cucumber and apply the juice under your arms. Do this once or twice daily until you are satisfied with the results. Another option is to extract the juice from a cucumber and mix it with a little turmeric powder and lemon juice. 3. Lemon. Lemon works as a natural bleach and a powerful antibacterial and antiseptic agent. This is why lemon is used in the treatment of various skin-related problems including dark underarms. Lemon can dry out your skin, so apply a moisturizer after using these remedies if needed. To remove dead skin cells and lighten your underarms, rub a lemon wedge on the skin for a few minutes. Leave the juice on your skin for about 10 minutes and then wash the area thoroughly. For better exfoliation, you can sprinkle a little sugar on the lemon wedge and then use it. Do this a few times a week. 4. Baking soda. Baking soda can be used to make an exfoliating scrub to get rid of dark underarms. This will help remove dead skin cells, which is one of the main causes of dark underarms. It will also help unclog skin pores. Mix baking soda and water to make a thick paste. Use this paste to scrub your underarms. Wash it off and pat dry the area thoroughly. Repeat a few times a week. 5. Orange peel. Orange peels can be used to lighten the skin under your arms, thanks to their skin lightening and exfoliating properties. Put some orange peels in the sun for a few days until they dry out completely. Grind the dried peels into powder form. Mix 2 teaspoons of powdered orange peels with enough rose water and milk to make a thick paste. Gently scrub your underarms with the paste, and then leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. Finally, wash the area with cold water. Repeat the process 2 or 3 times a week. 6. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is another good option to get rid of dark underarms. Coconut oil contains vitamin E that can help lighten the underarms. At the same time, it will also work as an effective natural deodorant. Massage the dark underarms with coconut oil. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Wash it off with mild soap and lukewarm water. Repeat 2 or 3 times daily until you achieve the desired results. 7. Milk. The vitamins and fatty acids present in milk can help minimize underarm darkening. It will soften the skin and make the skin tone much lighter. Mix 2 tablespoons of full-fat milk, 1 to 2 tablespoons of flour, and 1 teaspoon of plain yogurt to make a thick paste. Apply it on your underarms and leave it on for about 15 minutes before wash it off with cold water. Repeat a few times a week on a regular basis. 8. Sandalwood. Sandalwood is another useful ingredient for getting rid of dark underarms due to its skin lightening properties. Mix 2 tablespoons of sandalwood powder and 2 tablespoons of rose water to make a thick paste. Apply the paste on your underarms. Leave it on for about 15 minutes and then wash it off with cold water. When repeated daily, this remedy will lighten the skin tone of your underarms within a few days. Follow these remedies as needed to get rid of dark underarms and enjoy soft, smooth and lighter skin.